Outcome number 10 is about safety and suitability of premises. This outcome is looking for the practice premises to be safe, accessible, avoid things like slips, trips, falls, well lit, electrical safety of equipment, including portable equipment that's used. So some examples of how the practice could demonstrate that it meets this outcome is by making sure they've got availability of facilities for disabled people, such as disabled toilets, ramps for people who use wheelchairs to come in and out of the practice. Then other examples would be well-lit practices, fire signs in case of emergencies, and general layout and design and ventilation that make sure that services are developed in a safe, comfortable environment for patients. For this outcome, the best links to use are the ones on the Health and Safety Executive website and also the Primary Care Contracting Clinical Governance website is a very good link. Well, the first thing a registered manager should do is conduct a health and safety audit to check where the practice is compliant and to consider where it isn't compliant, then to obviously update its procedures, signage and various aspects that need to be updated. It's good to use guidance from the Health and Safety Executive, download the latest health and safety poster and generally ensure that guidance is coming from expert sources because safety is obviously paramount. The other thing that they could do is conduct a Disability Discrimination Act audit and make sure they're compliant with all the aspects of that particular audit. And finally, of course, as always, team training to ensure that everybody understands the fire regulations, the various regulations that govern premises. Our practice management manual for CQC will help you reorganise your existing quality assurance practice systems in 3 steps. First of all, use the A3 checklist for this outcome from the back of the manual to audit your compliance. This gap analysis helps you to identify actions that will improve outcomes for people who use your services, in other words, your patients. Then use the agenda from the front half of this manual to conduct a training session for your team. It includes an attendance record and a training pack is available from our website. Finally, show your team the results of your gap analysis for this outcome and discuss who will work on items marked amber, which you've identified that you have but may need updating, and who will action items that are marked red, which you have identified are outstanding pieces of work. Examples might include a business continuity plan. Once you've decided which audits are required to measure, monitor and modify your systems, you're ready to record your agreed action plan at the bottom of the agenda and to set a time frame for completion. For efficiency, I'd suggest you give each team member a manual so that they have a personalised individual training record and an action plan to work from. This way they can concentrate on recording and completing the tasks delegated to them and demonstrate their involvement to a CQC assessor. As a practice manager, your copy will be the master audit plan for the whole practice as well as your master training record, helping you to ensure the practice meets the outcomes in section 4 of the CQC guidance, which is suitability of staffing.